In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Analytics to Tilda. By the end, you'll have your Tilda site sending data to Google Analytics so you can measure traffic, engagement, and conversions with confidence. Start by opening your browser and searching for tilda.cc. Type it directly into the address bar to avoid typos and make sure you're heading to the official Tilda website rather than an ad or a similarly named page. Once you're on the site, look for the main entry point to your account and click Log In. Sign in as you normally would. After you're in, open the project you want to track. If you manage multiple sites, double-check you're selecting the correct one, because analytics settings are applied per site. From your project dashboard, head to Site Settings and then open the Analytics section. This is where Tilda centralizes integrations for popular analytics tools, making setup straightforward. In the Google Analytics area, you'll see a field for your measurement ID. This refers to your GA4 measurement ID, which typically starts with G, followed by a series of letters and numbers. If you already have it handy, paste it into the designated field. If you're unsure where to find it, a quick reminder. In Google Analytics, open the Admin area, go to Data Streams, choose your web stream, and copy the measurement ID shown at the top. Be sure the ID you paste matches your live domain, because using the wrong stream can lead to missing or inaccurate data. Once the ID is in place, scroll down and click Save Changes at the bottom of the page. This step is essential. Your settings won't take effect until they're saved. After saving, go back to your project dashboard and click Publish All Pages in the top right. Publishing pushes the new analytics configuration to your live site so the tracking can begin. If you've recently updated your site structure or templates, publishing all pages ensures everything is consistent. Give it a few minutes for the changes to propagate. To confirm that it's working, you can open your site in a browser and then check the real-time report in Google Analytics to see if your visit appears. If you don't see data immediately, disable ad blockers, try an incognito window, or wait a little longer. Sometimes there's a short delay. That's all you need to connect Google Analytics to Tilda. Save your settings, publish your pages, and you're ready to start measuring what matters. Thanks for watching, and happy analyzing.